Alright, how's it going, y'all? I'm gonna show you how to make a Hellcat Airbox. Just have a stock 5.7 Airbox or 6.4 Airbox, just for about like 40 bucks, honestly. So, yeah, you want to just like take your whole components out for your Airbox. As so. Oop. This is what I made with it, but. Alright, first thing you want to do is you want to take out your Airbox, and then you want to cut a hole around this angle with a 3 3/4 circular saw. That's what I was trying to say. Circular saw. It's a little difficult. You gotta angle it a little bit, little by little. You can't just go straight on. You gotta finesse it. Honestly, it took me like 15-20 minutes to do it properly. It looks a little janky. I didn't really clean it up, but it still fucking works. Okay, so once you get that done, you're gonna wanna get one of these Spectre tubes from AutoZone. See, I just routed mine right through there. I bent it a little bit just to make it more secure. I made a little zip ties here and there. Yeah. So I just cut what I needed. You'll have a little extra tube. Just measure it out and you'll know what to do with it. So once you get it all situated, just throw everything back together. Oh, wait 1 second. So to make things a little more cleaner, I got one of these air filter, resistant, dust resistant, water resistant filters from Amazon for like 10 bucks. I just stick it over this, just a extra protection, you know. It doesn't really hurt to have that. So I'm trying to find a place to set you at. Oh man. Alright. I can't really do it while holding you guys. Basically, shit. Well, you want to throw on the fucking filter first. Eesh. So you want to take your Airbox. Ooh. I'm so sorry for the fucking quality. I wish I had a tripod. Oh man. Right, I'm gonna set you down right there for a second. So you just want to fit it through the hole that you made with your 3 3/4 saw. I picked mine up for like 10-15 bucks at Ace Hardware. You probably find it on Amazon cheaper. Really don't matter. You just need 3 3/4. Just a little bigger than the 3-inch tubing you get from the Spectre from AutoZone. All right. Jeez. So I got it on. Basically all it is just cut a hole and then you put everything back together. Just as so. Gotta make sure everything's right. Just double checking. Yeah, it should be fine. And then you just throw it all together and boom, Hellcat fucking Airbox. Instead of having to spend $300-400 on a cold air intake without the fucking shieldings or anything. Yeah, I would highly advise against buying an actual K&N cold air filter where it's just a filter out right there with no shielding like this. It actually hurts performance, doesn't really help performance. You're just dragging in hot air, that's where it's more attracted to. Hot air is easier to go through the tube than cold air, scientifically proven. So here's such a made cold air intake, an actual cold air intake, and I get temperatures lower I'm like 5 to 10 above ambient temperature, so it really helped. I've noticed my exhaust sounded a little more raspier than it is usually, and I fucking love it. Best 40 bucks you can buy just for added performance, instead of spending $300, $400, $500 on something. Just the same thing that you're getting here. All right, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe.